These is normally hard to get through to, eh?
But the only thing is, like you said, all I done was just turn it a little bit like that. Go over here a little further, and you dug it in there, and there's the dig up. Well, it wouldn't roll like that when I got over there. You know what I mean? You look at it here, right?
That's what you got in here earlier, huh?
Yeah.
Here now, see what's happening. I say you're gonna just take it back just a touch here. Got some rocks here, eh? That's good.
Change cutting.
Yeah.
I changed my own cutting ever since I've been up there.
And then going up there and changing it?
And the kid went up there yesterday or this morning now and sent some up to change cutting.
See, that's the point here.
Yeah.
You want to cut with it.
Yeah.
So 40, 55, 70.
Okay, yeah.
That's what you're going to go by.
So that's good, eh?
Yeah, this is perfect. You bet. Yeah. You see, now it's because it's even here. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
And if it's not even, then you take these ones, put it here, and vice versa. Or you flip it around totally and start from up here.
Right on.
Yeah. Now we hang the other one on.
And make me do all the work, me.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's say if you have to turn it around, eh? Yeah, you have that one. If you push these down now, it's going to shatter, eh?
Oh, I know.
So you got to go back here and work your way, and then you work your way up, so you get that 70, 55, 70 again.
Yeah. So that's the video you're making for us, is it? Just in case we get bottle lambs and we forget to put them on. That's the place recording anything in there. Well, black. Now this is recording, you know, isn't it? So you got some. Yeah.
Hold it, you just take the finger off.
Oh, I see. That's recording. Okay.
A little bit. Good. And the flat goes against it. And get them in first. If you use this one up, then it's going to be like a square here.
Okay.
And when you drive the squares in, you're actually going to shatter those out.
Okay.
So the guys who say that it's cracking here, they drive the wedge in the wrong way.
Okay.
Because you know when it's not rounded, it's going to be like spreading it apart. Like the women in Stockholm.
here, right?
Yeah.
And then mostly you move up one notch every time.
Yeah.
And how far do you come down there now before you...
All the way up to here.
Down here?
So what you throw away is actually these peaks. Or you take that piece and weld it on a loader or something, and it lasts for the winter. Yeah. Okay.
Right on.
How do you turn it off? This stuff?